So this is Phil Ranck, and Phil is our expert on new manufacturers. Why do you want to learn about manufacturing from Phil? Well, the first reason you want to learn from Phil is, honestly, this is the only time I have ever seen Phil in a suit. Just in this one photo, and at no other time, I think, in his life. Usually Phil's sleeves are rolled up and he's working. And Phil works with small organizations all the way through to large ones, and some of the biggest in the world. But he's also really good at understanding how to make lean work and how to make continuous improvement work when you're just building the organization. What that means is, if you're a new manufacturer, if you're just starting to scale, if you're looking to repeat the early success that you had, Phil is the guy to help you to build a strong foundation so you can build strength on strength and to continue to develop the business. And he's a really cool guy.